Good morning! Today, papunta kami sa Shigsayat Road at kami Waipan Run 2024. Ito mga kasama namin, may bago kami recruit. Nandun na sa ulit ito. Wow! Ini. Say shout out, hi! Ayun. Wala pa pala kami susi. Sige, sabay-sabay tayo, tumakbo. Ayun, ready na kami. Diyan na, we're going na. Oh, ready na? Yun, good morning. Dito na kami. Doon kami nagpark sa DIFC. Yun, nag-ipon-ipon na sila doon. Marami na din actually na nandoon. Kumbaga late na rin kami. 7 o'clock na in the morning. So, yan. Ito na Museum of the Future. Kumusta? Biyahe. Wow. Pawisan na. Oh. Madami tao mga kasenyor.
Ay, video ka! Ay, ito mundo!
Dami po tao dito. Grabe.
About 10 meters in the air at the start line. We'll be looking out for you. Look out for yourselves on the big screens.
Shout out to Team Angel Wolf who's just taken off. Team Angel Wolf, we love you guys. Go and show that. Be proud once again. Team Angel Wolf is here this morning. Again, we are getting closer. We are getting closer to the moment. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. We are asking you all to take it easy.
Chris, can you see the back of the crowd yet?
Keep it on lower. Well, it looks like it's officially on right now. There it is. Your Dubai Run is officially underway.
Across the start line. Dubai, you are looking beautiful. Make some noise!
Big ones in the air right now. It is unbelievable to see this.
Yeah.
On Instagram right now. This is huge. This is the biggest run in the world right now. Your Dubai Run.
Ayan o, pagod na, halal na. Hindi pa. 3 kilometers na tinakbo niyan. Ilang kilometers na po tinakbo mo?
Wala. 1 mile.
Wow, one laway, one. Ito, puso. Kaya tumiti ng maagas ito. Excited? Kaya hindi mo naginising, nagising na agad. Kasi excited, hindi na nagpagising.
Ginisip para dapat.
Napakarami tao mga kasenyor. Talaga naman. So tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Daming tao talaga. Ngayon lang ulit kami naka-join. So 2 years kami hindi nakatakbo. Talaga naman. Full energy kami ngayon, nakalalakad. Ayan, easy.
Para nakalimang kilometer.
Ayan o. So, bumalik po yung mga drone. Yung mga glider, bumalik. Bibidyohan natin. Ito na sila. Daming event. Napakalakas po ng sigaw. Woo! Kaya. Woo! Nawala na si mama mo.
Alright, once again, Dubai! Let me hear you scream! It is unbelievable to see this. Again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful moment right now. Again, so many of you, I still can't see the end. I believe this is the biggest fun run in the world. Thank you to everybody that's made this possible. But most importantly, thank you to you. Thank you to you.
At ngayon, nagsimula na po yung 5,000 kilometer. So, sa daming tao, hindi po kami makatakbo. Kaya walkathon na lang, walkathon.
Dubai, look in the air above you right now and make some noise. Wow, that is just magical to witness. The acrobatic phase that's happening. Look at this, full flips and turns in the air. Oh yeah, I love this tune, Scott. Turn it up, here we go, Dubai. Again, we got Emirates, the RTA, Wassel, and it's all under the Dubai Sports Council. Big shout out to the Arabian Radio Network as well for making this happen. Alright, again, our sponsors, without you, we wouldn't be able to do it. To ARN.
That's finished. Ay! Overtime pa si Rel.